second part of my YouTube channel. In this would be letting the baby to burp and give a baby bath. So, burping is the basic and important way you can take care of your baby. It keeps them comfortable even they are asleep. You know why? Because burping may help to allow them to relieve gas and therefore they don't get uncomfortable or will alter the sleeping pattern of your baby. You may or you can use of these three methods. Number 1, sit upright and hold your baby against your chest. The baby's chin should rest on your shoulder as you support the baby with your one hand. Then second, hold your baby sitting up in your lap or across your knee. And number 3, lay your baby on your lap on her belly. Good morning again. I will do the demonstration regarding the how to give a baby bath. And now I will start the of course, let's close the window and turn off the aircon. And then I will gather all the equipment. I already have beside me. I have the basin. I have the warm water and the cotton pads. I have the petroleum jelly, and I have a shampoo and the lotion, of course. And that's the most important thing. I gather all the equipment, not to leave the baby as much as possible. And then I will start from removing the pampers of the baby. And now I will remove. And then I'll take the cotton, dilute it to the water, and clean from upper going to down the backward. Throw it again on the receptacles, and then I will take another cotton, dilute it to the warm water, and put sabon. Okay, and then from the sing it, I will clean, and also going down to the backward. Throw it again, and now I'm done. And remove the pampers of the baby. Very important. Going to receptacle. And then I will grab the baby's neck and the head to hold like this. And ready na. And of course, I'm going to close the ear of the baby by my thumb and my third finger, using my third finger. And now I'm going to take another cotton bud, diluted in warm water, to clean the eyes from inner to out, and throw again, and take another cotton buds and clean the baby's eyes, going there and from the outside of the eyes. And then I'm going to wet the hair of my baby. Yeah. And then I'm going to put shampoo, just a little bit of shampoo, a little bit, and then rub it from all the surfaces in the hair, and then just rub smoothly, and then I'm done. Then going to use a very soft cloth to clean the baby's head. Okay. Okay. One more. Another one more time. Okay, she's happy now. And I'm done. And then now I'm going to take one more cotton bud and dilute it to the warm water and clean the forehead, going down to the face, to the cheek, and the other side, and the neck, into the breast, into the armpit, sa lahat ng mga singit-singit. Yan. Of course, the fingernails. Pay attention with the fingernails. Maybe there's a hair. And also to the back. And to the legs. Until to the foot. Okay. Now I'm done. I'm going to rinse my baby. And smoothly scrub the baby's body. Very smoothly. And then one more. Take another more warm water. Another one more time. Okay, so I'm done, and quickly put it in the bed and cover the baby quickly, so it will not feel very cold, feel warm. Okay, and let it dry the hair. Okay, now it's already dry. I will put the pampers again. Okay. By putting up this way. And then I'm going to put the petroleum jelly, of course, just a little bit. Okay. And then now the petroleum jelly is already spread on the baby's arm, foot, and then I'll put like the pampers. Okay. And then I will put the lotion here from down. Okay, and then I'm going to put the shorts, showing, okay, and also the t-shirt. So my baby now is very comfortable. Okay, because okay, Okay, and I'm done. And I will remove the baby's towel. Change another more towel. And cover my baby. Because my baby, I'm gonna put my baby into the crib so that I can carry the baby like this. And I'm going to put it in the crib. And then now, my baby now is safe. I will do the record. I will record my baby, my baby, the name and the date. I will also record it, and of course, I will do the aftercare. Okay.